American Rust is a novel by American writer Philipp Meyer, published in 2009. It is set in the 2000s, in the fictional town of Buell in Fayette County, Pennsylvania, which is in a rural region referred to as the Valley of Dilapidated Steel Towns. The novel focuses on the decline of the American middle class and well-paying manufacturing jobs, and the general sense of economic and social malaise of what has become known as the New Gilded Age. Meyer's novel received positive reviews, and many publications ranked it one of the best novels of the year. American Rust was published in 2009 in the United States, Great Britain, Australia, and the Netherlands. In 2010 it was published in France, Germany, Italy, Korea, Israel, Greece, and Serbia. American Rust is a third-person, stream of consciousness work influenced, according to Meyer, by writers such as James Joyce, William Faulkner, Virginia Woolf, and James Kelman. Comparisons mostly include works by modernist writers. The Baltimore Sun compared it to Faulkner, Roger Perkins of the Daily Telegraph, Michiko Kakiatani of the New York Times, and Ron Charles of the Washington Post all compared it to the works of Cormac McCarthy, Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, and J.D. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.